Jamaica is making waves globally, and the comparisons to economic successful countries like Panama, Dubai, and Singapore are no accident. These parallels reflect a growing sense of optimism, both at home and abroad, about Jamaica's unique advantages, strategic location, and bold economic vision. So, why is Jamaica suddenly being talked about in the same breath as these global hubs? Let's break it down into 4 main areas, starting with number 1, strategic location. Like Panama and Singapore, Jamaica enjoys a prime geographic position at one of the world's most critical crossroads. That is to say, Jamaica is situated near the major shipping lanes connecting North America, South America, and Europe. Positioned along the third largest global shipping route, running from the Panama Canal through the Caribbean and into the Atlantic. Home of deepwater ports in Kingston and Montego Bay that already function as key transshipment hubs. Why does this matter? Panama's success largely hinges on the Panama Canal, a global choke point for maritime trade. Singapore's rise came from smartly leveraging its location to become a dominant shipping and logistics hub. Jamaica is now following a similar path, positioning itself as a logistics and trade gateway to the Americas, ready to serve global commerce with increasing efficiency and reach. Number 2, infrastructure and logistics development. The frequent comparison to Dubai comes from Jamaica's ambitious push to modernize infrastructure and attract international investment, mirroring Dubai's rapid transformation over just 3 decades. Key initiatives include special economic zones, designed to attract manufacturers, logistics companies, and global investors. The Global Logistics Hub Initiative, a government-led vision to transform Jamaica into a multimodal logistics powerhouse, integrating air, sea, road, and digital infrastructure. Expansion of the Port of Kingston, one of the deepest natural harbors in the world, capable of handling post-Panamax ships. Just like Dubai turned itself from a desert port into a global trade, finance, and tourism giant, Jamaica is aiming for a similarly bold leap, leveraging its location, logistics potential, and business-friendly environment. Number 3, economic vision and services focus. Jamaica's growth is not just about location and infrastructure. It's about a forward-looking economic vision centered on diversification and innovation. Focus areas include the digital economy and outsourcing sector, with business process outsourcing now standing as Jamaica's second-largest employer. A growing financial services sector, with a vision to establish Kingston and Montego Bay as regional financial centers. A tourism reinvention strategy that expands beyond beaches, now promoting luxury tourism, medical tourism, and authentic cultural experiences. Like Singapore, Jamaica is working to punch above its weight as a services-driven economy. Like Dubai, it seeks to become a multi-sector powerhouse, not just reliant on tourism or agriculture, but competitive across finance, tech, logistics, and services. Number 4, growing international interest. Yes, global eyes are on Jamaica, and the buzz is real. Major global powers, including China, the United States, and European nations, are increasingly investing in Jamaica's infrastructure, energy, and mining sectors. Foreign direct investment is on the rise, particularly in infrastructure development, renewable energy projects, oil and gas exploration, technology and digital innovation. This rising international interest is clear evidence that Jamaica is gaining credibility as an emerging economic hub, and the world is taking notice. Jamaica is no longer just an island known for its culture, music, and natural beauty. It's becoming a strategic gateway, a logistics and investment magnet, and a regional leader in services and digital transformation. With its geographic advantage, its infrastructure plans, a diverse economic vision, and international backing, Jamaica is earning comparisons to some of the most successful small economies in the world, and for good reason. The comparisons to Panama, Dubai, and Singapore aren't just flattering, they're increasingly accurate. The world should be watching, because Jamaica's rise is only just beginning.